Y'all ain't gonna believe this. I actually got a ramble today. I'm gonna ramble. I haven't rambled in a video yet, really. I think Rambling Piper's rubbing off on me. But hey, I got a new hat. Welcome back to House of Manners, everybody. It's Sunday, and I just want to do a real quick video to say hello, kind of give you just a preview of some things that are coming up. Also share some thoughts that are on my mind right now. Just so many things I really want to chat about today. So today's video is a little different than I normally do, and that's fine. It's good to just be able to sit here for a moment and chat with you guys and talk a little bit about some things that are on my heart, things that are on my mind. First of all, happy Sunday. I love Sundays. Sundays are always such a great day before we got to go hit the work week. And I always enjoy my Sundays, whether it be getting caught up on some housework. It always feels good to get caught up on things. Obviously, church service on Sundays, it really helps lift me up and get me ready for the week to be able to worship the Lord and be able to do those things. Personally, they really help enrich my life and help me move forward each and every day. So it always means a lot to me. Had a great service this morning, had a great lunch with my family. Came home, decided to do a couple things around the house really quick, and then now I'm enjoying a cigar and a whiskey to kind of just relax a little bit before I get some filming done for the week. Got a new series coming out this week, hopefully, if all goes well. I always want to say, you never know. So as of right now, I haven't, you just never know. As of right now, I have a new series coming out this week. I'm not going to spill the tea on it just yet, but I'm real excited about it. It's actually something I've been contemplating for a while, and I think it will be a fun series to film. And so I'm actually going to start filming episode 1 today. Looking forward to that. Hopefully we'll get that out later this week. Just wanted to talk about my weekend yesterday. A lot going on in the cigar community right now. A lot of people celebrating anniversaries. I know Creekside Cigars had their 2-year anniversary yesterday. Watched a lot of footage on it. Looked to be an amazing time. I can't wait to get up to Creekside at some point in time. For those that don't know, I'm a huge fan of Creekside Cigars. I love what they're doing on YouTube. I love what they're doing for their lounge. Their lounge looks amazing. They're doing some really cool things with cigars. So you got to go check out Creekside. I think that's something that you just really need to do if you're into cigars. I know a lot of people that watch are more pipe smokers, but I know there's a lot of cigar lovers out there as well. Here in my hometown, my local cigar lounge, Mission Cigar and Social, they had their 4-year anniversary yesterday. It was quite the event. I mean, raffles and auctions, and that place was packed with people and showing their appreciation for all that the Mission does every day. It's an amazing lounge with a great story, by the way. Their story's great. It was a cigar lounge that got started by a guy, and for whatever reason it didn't work out, so he sold it to these 4 individuals who started it, who had basically been going on mission trips together. And so they started this cigar lounge for a place for men to come together and be able to have a place to do Bible study and to be able to just have camaraderie with other dudes. Don't get me wrong, there's a lot of women that go there too, but you can definitely tell that it is a place definitely that men love to go to have fellowship, great relationships with other guys, and it's really meant a lot to me. It's about 2 minutes from my house. I frequent it quite often. Everybody there is absolutely amazing, whether it's just patrons that are there hanging out, talking. They invite you in to sit at their circles. It's just the staff is stellar. They're unbelievable, and there's just nothing like them. I'm telling you, I've really enjoyed their camaraderie, their company, the fellowship that I get to have there, and their cigar selection is also really good too at the end of the day. And I enjoy it so much. I even got a new hat, y'all. I know y'all are all about me and hats. The hat game is real at House of Manners. And so look at that. Woo, baby. I have to say, I don't look bad for 50, y'all. I'm just saying. I ain't 50 yet. I'll be 50 later this year. What can I say? There was a ton of cigar reps there yesterday. Got to meet some really cool cigar reps and talk a little bit about brands. I'm actually smoking one that I smoked yesterday I had never had before. La Galera is not a brand that I've smoked a lot of. I've had a couple cigars by them, but their rep really got to educate me on a lot of their tobacco blends, a lot of the things they're doing. I got introduced to this particular cigar that is actually really, really nice, and I'm going to kind of talk a little bit about it. This is the La Galera Maduro, and the reason this stick is such a good stick is because, first of all, it got rated by Cigar Aficionado at like a 93, which is pretty good for a company that doesn't advertise a lot in Cigar Aficionado. And I'm not going to get into the politics of it, but you probably know where I'm going with that if you know what I'm talking about. So the fact this $10 smoke is rated that high says a lot. What I like about this stick, not only is it $10, for a Maduro, it has some subtlety to it that is not your typical Maduro. So if you don't typically like spicy, full flavored cigars and you kind of don't gravitate toward Maduros, you might really like this one. And I'll tell you why. It's definitely what I would call an introduction to Maduro, if you will. There's black pepper on it, but it's subtle. It's just the spice is very muted and subtle. This is way more cocoa forward. It's way more earthy. The way I described it yesterday when I was smoking it with the rep was buttery. It's buttery, and it's really, really nice. I think, again, finding cigars today that are $10 and less, it's difficult to find something that's really, really nice, unless you buy these big fat bundles at certain places. But to be able to find like a daily smoke type thing, this definitely would be in that category if you like that kind of thing. So, it's very, very nice. I'm also doing some Irish whiskey training. For those of you who don't know, I'll be in Ireland in a couple of months for a couple of weeks with my son. It's his senior graduation trip, father-son getaway. He'll turn 18 2 days before we get there. I'm going to introduce him to Irish culture. We're going to hit all kinds of castles, ruins. We're doing the Ring of Kerry. We're going to distilleries. And one of the distillers we're going to is Middleton, which I cannot wait. Already got my tickets. And this is actually made in Middleton. I had never had it before until today. I heard a lot about it. I couldn't find one for the longest time. I was really glad I found one. But this is the Powers 3 Swallow whiskey. This is the 3 Swallow edition. I've had a lot of people talk about this particular whiskey that are Irish whiskey fans, and I have not had a chance to try it. I gotta tell you, it's really, really nice. It's what Irish whiskey should be most of the time. The thing about Irish whiskey to me, and this is just my opinion, I like Irish whiskey. I rarely love it. And the reason is because usually the nose is nice, the palate's nice. It's usually the finish that there's just something that lacks in the finish. So when you find a really good Irish whiskey that has a really nice finish on it, that tells you they're doing something right. That's what this whiskey has. It has an amazing finish on it. What I like about this, that you're gonna get some really great notes that you would come to love in Irish. You're gonna get butterscotch. You're gonna get some apple notes on there, which is really, really nice. And then when you put it on the palate, that fruit forward apple and butterscotch just hits you right in the face. And then boom, the finish comes in with this beautiful spiciness that you don't really get very much on an Irish whiskey. It's very, very nice. I'm really glad I got to purchase that and experience it. So, what else? Shout outs. I want to give out some shout outs. I don't think I've given very many shout outs on my channel. I think Captain Burley Slice does about as good of a job as anybody I know for making people feel welcome, making people feel passionate about the community itself, not just the vices, if you will, that we have, but actually the community. And I want to thank him because Captain Burley Slice has meant a lot to me, and his brother Hunter as well. They both have meant a lot to me over the last couple of months, and how they have welcomed me into kind of their family. And I can't say that enough about how much I appreciate that. Walter and Chris, I also want to give you guys a shout out too. I'm appreciative of you guys as well. You guys have meant so much to me, including me in your live streams and just helping me connect in so many ways. Your knowledge is scary. I mean, it really is scary how much you guys know about everything, really. It's crazy. I mean, any topic that comes up, I feel like y'all know about. So, Jeffrey, Life of the Pipe, my brother, I'm going to tell you right now, man. I'm looking forward to meeting you in person and having a glass of wine with you. I am just impressed so much with your tasting notes, how you profile things, your knowledge about things. You just really make it exciting to watch your channel in so many ways. And I feel a sincerity from you that is just so genuine, and I love that. And I just want you to just continue doing what you're doing, man. I saw you got 1,000 subscribers, man. Congratulations. You deserve it, man. You deserve it, and you deserve all the accolades and all the things coming your way. I'm just so excited to be able to get to know you, and it's so much fun, man. I'm so glad you're part of the community. Old Man Copper, dude, what an honor. You honored me with your comments in your video, the last video you did, and I just want to tell you thank you for that. I would have a drink with you anytime, my friend. I think you and I could tear it up. And I say that with pure confidence that I think if you and I were sitting together, just the two of us, I think we would have an amazing time. I think we would be able to talk our ears off, drink some fantastic beverages, and just laugh and cut up. I think it'd be an amazing time. So when you talk about a guy like me that can do a couple of boozers with you, I'm down, brother. I am so down, and I'm looking forward. I need to buy a hat. I keep talking about hats. I need one of your hats. I'm gonna purchase one of your hats this week because I need to buy one because I want to show it off because they're really nice looking hats. Captain Burley Slice's hat looks really, really nice, and I think it would look good on these golden locks that I have before they all go gray. I feel like there's so many other guys on this that I would love to be able to give shout outs to, and if I'm leaving you out, it's really not because I'm not thinking about you. Pipe Philosophy, 209 Piper. I mean, I could Fistful of Briar. I could go down the list. And the funny thing is that everybody's channel is different. And I love that. I love everybody's is being themselves and doing their own thing. Pipe Philosophy talked about in a video the other day about, the bar is being set. I think we can all agree. I don't think I'm saying anything out of place here. Everybody can agree that I think East Texas Pipe Club has come along and has started to change things in the genre that we didn't know could be possible. And, instead of being mad about it, I'm grateful. I am excited about it, man. Like, I am so excited about people coming on and being passionate about all these things. And you know what? Captain Burley Slice says it best, man. There's room for everybody. Like, this is it's not like only one person can be successful. Everybody can be successful in their own way. And that's what's cool about it. I enjoy everybody I just named. I enjoy what you're doing for what you're doing. It's not a competition. There's no competition amongst all of us. If so-and-so's got 5,000 subscribers and Mutton Shop's got 50,000 subscribers, I'm not jealous of that. I'm excited for them. We need everybody contributing and producing and making content because we need to let YouTube and the world know we're not going anywhere. One more person I forgot, Rambling Piper in Ireland. I really hope we get a chance to hook up on there, brother. Love your content, man. I tell you right now, I know I'm not going to be able to because I think you told me you live like 3 hours from where we're going to be. I know we're going to try to meet up if we can. If we can, Rambling Piper, I hope we can. But if we can't, it's okay. One day, I'm making it a personal goal one day to sit in your greenhouse with you smoking a pipe. That is like my dream, is to be able to do that with you, my friend. And I want you to show me your Ireland for at least a day. I hope you're able to do that. If not, it's okay. I don't want to put pressure on you, but if you can, we would be much appreciative. So got some big plans, guys. Got a lot of cool videos coming out here in the next few weeks. I got a new series planned that I am very excited about. I'm in the process of filming right now, and I cannot wait to share that with you. I'm very excited about it. I'm having the time of my life, y'all. I'm having the time of my life. I am enjoying the community. I'm enjoying making videos. I'm enjoying editing. I'm enjoying storytelling. I love this, and my spirit is in such a good place right now because of this community. I feel better than I've felt in years, and I think it's a big part of me doing all this, and I'm enjoying it so much. So that's all I got, and got some big things coming up, and I'm excited for them. So I'll let you go on that note. Get back to your Sunday. Hope you're enjoying your Sunday. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.